If your bank account looks like a dessert, you're in the right place. Let's sweeten the deal with Daily Income Made Easy. Struggling to make an impact online or searching for a second income? Say hello to Daily Income Made Easy. We're here to help you create multiple streams of income, all for free. Imagine generating free leads for any business and growing an unlimited number of followers on social media. Sounds like a dream, right? But wait, there's more. Want to get paid for promoting other people's businesses? We've got you covered. Our platform offers free access to resources, training, and a supportive community to help you succeed. Head over to dailyincomeMadeEasy.net today and see how you can transform your online presence and income potential. Because with Dime, making money online just got a whole lot easier. Don't miss out. Start your journey now.